Listen, I'll reveal the secret to go to Kailasa once for all and be liberated. I'll give you the real secret. Listen. All violence is delusion. Please listen. 99.9999% of the material out of which you are made and I am made. Listen. 99.9999% of you and 99.9999% of me, both not only same stuff, they also know each other as the same stuff. All my Balasans, listen. 99.999999% of the stuff out of which you are made, and 99.999999% of the stuff out of which I am made, both are one and the same. Listen to the second statement, that both material know that they are one and the same. That 0.00000001%, that only is the little arrogance, anger, makes you and me feel separate inside you. I call it delusion. I tell you, the worst delusion, greatest delusion, illusion in the universe is feeling of separation. At one day, quantum physics and science will catch up with what I am declaring. That will be the greatest revelation for humanity. As on now, the trust level between the humanity decision makers and me may be very less because they do not know me or whatever. So what I am declaring now, they may not take it seriously. But at some point, people whom they trust, those scientists or quantum physicists or whoever, they may come to the same conclusion which I am declaring. They will come. Humanity has to come to this conclusion which I am declaring now. Because humanity needs to be saved. No other way. So humanity has to come to this conclusion. It will come to this conclusion. Listen. 99.99999% of the stuff out of which you are made, I am made. All of us are made. That stuff is same. And the most important thing is not only it is same, it knows we are all same. So 0.1%. I won't even say 0.1%, 0.00001%. That only makes you feel you are separate from the universe. Anger and arrogance. Listen carefully. That is why I am telling, feeling separated is the most stupidest and worst delusion. Worst delusion. It is from the feeling separated stems violence. Violence is rooted in feeling separated. It's with extreme love and compassion I'm telling you the secrets. Secrets of my success. And these secrets will make you successful. Never ever get frustrated about life. Never ever get angry about life. Never ever get violent about life. If you cut and check me inside, there will be 0% violence. Not even one iota of violence. That is the secret of my success. Now you should listen. All my kids, listen. The material, the metal, core stuff, out of which you are made, I am made, this universe is made, Paramashiva is made, that material is same. And the great news is, this material knows that we are all same. It is not that you need to build this enlightenment step by step. No. The material, which is you, your body, your mind, your core cognition, your individual identity, and what you call as your body, your mind, your privacy, your secrecy, your all the things. Whatever you call as you, closer to you. My mother, my father, my daughter, my sister, my son, my husband, my whatever, my friend, my beloved, my soulmate, or me. All this is made of certain stuff. That stuff and the Paramashiva, the stuff out of which Paramashiva is made, and the stuff out of which I am made, all of us are made. That stuff, that material is same. This is a good news. The greatest news is that material knows each other that it is same. What I am talking to my kids is the most important secret strategy. This is like how you should know the funny thing. Top people who administer, promote vaccines, don't vaccinate their kids. I don't want to get into that anymore. Not leave it, forget about that subject. The top people always have certain secrets only for them and for their family. Listen. Whatever they do with their family is the right. The most right and secret strategy. I am talking this to my kids, means this is the most secret but right strategy. Raja Vidya, Raja Guhyam. Royal knowledge, royal secret. Feeling separation should be handled with the tool of completion, not supported by your arrogance. When you feel separated, do not try to support your thought currents with arrogance. No. Try to deal yourself with completion. I am telling you some of the basic truths. Inside, if you decide no violence, no separation, if there is a separation feeling, no question of encouraging that feeling. See, you are dreaming as if a tiger is chasing you and you are screaming, hey, somebody give me my revolver, please somebody give me a weapon, please somebody give me a rifle, I have to kill this tiger and save myself. Unless your wife is really angry with you, she will not give you the revolver. Because if you get the revolver in the deluded state, you will surely kill yourself or the people around you, not the tiger you are seeing in the dream and in your delusion. Listen. When you are deluded and screaming like that, all you need is somebody just pouring a cup of water on you or slapping you for you to wake up. You need alarm, not revolver. Understand? The inside you healing and understanding the core delusion is separation. From that core delusion starts all violence and violent strategy. If you understand this, you will become non-violent for your whole life. You will never have birth and death. You will not have a strong violence which will pull you down again to this planet Earth. Tell you, if you don't react, don't get agitated with violence inside, you will be so aligned to your purpose. You will be productive for yourself. Feeling productive for yourself is the ultimate completion you need when you need to die, when you need to leave the body. You see, when I need to leave the body, I am absolutely clear. I have feeling that productive for myself, my goal. What I want as a life, I am productive to myself and my purpose, my strategy. That is what is fulfillment, Purnatva, completion. If you carry that when you are leaving the body, you will be enlightened, you will be liberated. You don't need to come back once more.